Hey y'all, welcome back to Crazy Southern Lady. And today we are going to make the viral slow cooker Parmesan garlic chicken in the slow cooker. It is quick, it is easy. It has 4 ingredients. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, counting, the spices. But it's super easy, super quick. You leave it on for 6 hours, you do what you want, you come back and you have a great meal. So let's get started. But first, could you please hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave me a comment. Okay, so let's talk ingredients, y'all. You're going to need some boneless chicken breast. You're not gonna need this whole pack, maybe 3. If you want a lot of chicken, 4. You're gonna dice them or cube them up. You're going to need potatoes. This is the brand and the kind I use. I kind of like the colors. But you can use whatever potatoes you want. Just chop them, dice them, and then throw them in the slow cooker. You're going to need some Parmesan cheese. You're going to need some mozzarella, shredded, garlic. You're going to need some Parmesan garlic, smoked paprika, chicken stock, salt, and pepper. And that's all you're gonna need. So let's get this meal in the slow cooker so it can do its thing. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna take our chicken breast after we wash it and we're just gonna cut it up into chunks like this. Get it all cut up. Now, I did wind up using all of my chicken breast only because my husband likes lots of meat, so that's why. Add the potatoes. And then once the potatoes are in, we're going to season them. Some paprika. And we're gonna sprinkle it in there some. We like lots of seasoning, guys. And we're going to take pepper. And we're gonna put some pepper in there everywhere. Pepper. Y'all, I am sorry. I broke my other tripod and I have got to get to the store and get another one. We just added some salt. And now we're going to add some garlic. I just haven't had time to get to the store to get a new one. And y'all know how it is when you have a favorite. That one was my favorite. And now I'm dealing with what I have. I'm working with what I have. And sometimes we have to work with what we have. All right. Now that that's in there, we are going to kind of stir it up a little bit. Get that in there. Okay, now we're gonna take our diced chicken. All right, now we're gonna add our diced chicken in there. Go ahead, put all that chicken in there, y'all. Give it a little mix. once we mix that up, we're gonna take that Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic, and we're just gonna pour that right on top of it. Just pour it right on top of there, y'all. Just pour it on top. And the reason why we have chicken stock is because, I don't know if you can see, you have a lot, you can't see because of this tripod. You have a lot of that in there. So we're going to take that chicken stock and we're going to pour it into the jar, and we're going to mix it really well. We're trying to try to get as much of that out as we can. Again, I'm sorry y'all that this video is not the best today. I'm shaking. It's not the best today, but I'm gonna have another tripod. I'm gonna have to get to the store. And you're just gonna pour the rest of that in there. Get as much out as you can. I'm just gonna give it a nice stir to kind of get that all up in there. So everything is in the slow cooker. It's ready to go. The lid is on. I set it on low for 6 hours. I'll see you back soon. Okay, it has been 6 hours. And as you can tell, the potatoes are nice and tender, and the chicken just falls apart. Look at that, y'all. The chicken is so tender, and it just falls apart. And the potatoes are so, so good. Look at that. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. So we're going to add the mozzarella, the shredded mozzarella. We want it really good. Very cheesy. And then we're going to add the grated Parmesan. Ouch, let me get that open. After we add that shredded mozzarella, we're gonna add the grated Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to put the lid on. And we're gonna let that cheese melt for 20 minutes. Look at all that melted cheese, y'all. It looks so, so great. Now let's get it in a bowl. Oh my goodness, that tastes good. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy this meal. It's super easy, guys. You just throw it in the slow cooker and it's done. Thank you so much for joining me, Crazy Southern Lady. Please, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave me a message. I do read them. Have a great night. Enjoy your family. See you again soon. Bye.